Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Redmi 13c 5G hardware and your carrier both support 5G, otherwise you won't connect. Next, insert a compatible 5G SIM into the primary slot and enable mobile data. Turn on data roaming only if your plan needs it. Once done, make sure MIUI is updated to the latest available build, then reboot the device. This ensures radio firmware and network stacks refresh, so the phone can negotiate 5G bands correctly with the network. Now you configure the network settings so the phone prefers 5G. Go to Settings, tap SIM cards and mobile networks, select your active SIM, and set preferred network type to 5G/4G/3G/2G, auto, or 5G first. This lets the radio seek 5G cells before falling back. Also enable VoLTE LTE or 5G calling if your carrier requires it for calls over 5G. If your operator provides an APN profile, verify APN values or load the carrier AP. To finish, confirm the phone shows a 5G indicator in Quick Settings or under Settings right arrow about phone right arrow network. Run a speed test and check field test/engineering mode to see the band and signal strength. This tells you if the phone is camped on a 5G cell. If you see no 5G, toggle airplane mode, restart, then reinsert the SIM. If that fails, contact your carrier to confirm provisioned 5G service. As a last resort, backup data and factory reset. This resolves persistent provisioning or APN errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.